So I don't know how you get to Google Classroom on your computer. On mine, to make it easier, I made it as a bookmark. If needed, I can make a separate video of how to log into Google Classroom, but I'm sure you all know how to do it. So when you log into Google Classroom, this is the page you're seeing, and we click on Mrs. Randazzo's kindergarten, and this is what, by default, this is what the page looks like. You should, if not, make sure you're in the stream tab right here. And so if you're scrolling down, you will notice that some boxes with the assignments are marked green as assigned, or some of you at this point, some might be marked as missing. So to fix that, first and foremost, I think you all know to click on the student engagement form and mark your attendance for the day. Super easy. And then you just click out of that window. Don't worry about it anymore after you submit. And then what you want to do is, if you're looking at an assignment, you see this box, it's marked, it's a separate assignment. So what you want to do is you click on this line right here, and you will see kind of changes colors. You can either click on the words. For easier explanation, just click on this little clipboard here, and it takes you to a new window of just this assignment. And you see right here on the right here, it says mark as done. So you just mark it as done, and that's it. To get back to your page, you just click Mrs. Randazzo's kindergarten. You will see now it's marked as turned in right here. That means you did it. So you go up, you go with the next assignment, whatever you completed, you watch it, click on the clipboard, mark as done, and go back. You don't need to turn in anything, you don't need to attach anything, just mark it as completed, and that's it. That's all you need to know.